When we encounter no sound on the screen, choose the original interface. If it cannot be displayed properly, please contact customer service. After entering the OEM system, click on Multimedia, External Devices in order to see if we have selected OEM Bluetooth. If so, we use our phone to disconnect the original Bluetooth from the car, and after disconnecting, we select AUX front. Let's go back to the PEMP interface again. If you have a Snapdragon 680, we select Settings. Hold Settings to turn off automatically switching AUX. If you have a Snapdragon 662, we select Settings, Factory Settings, and enter the password 070305. Select Vehicle and then select AUX switching modes as manual switching. Then we click on the music play. If the sound is relatively small, we adjust the volume knob, can see the sound normal. If there is still no sound, or no sound from the radio by pressing the FM, AM button. Next, we need to check if there is a fiber optic cable in the Ether harness. And if there is a fiber optic cable, we need to adapter it to the PEMP Ether harness. We also need to plug and unplug the Ether harness all over again to make sure it's plugged in completely to the bottom. Finally, we need to replug the power cord and LVDS on the back of the machine once to make sure it's plugged in completely to the bottom. We click on music play and we can see that the sound is normal.